flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be?
What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how to make this amazing cinnamon roll casserole. When I tell you my kids love this stuff, it is good for breakfast, it's good for dessert, it's good for rainy days, cold days, snowy days. Absolutely amazing. What I love best about this video, it does not require that many ingredients. When I tell you guys my 4-year-old can fix this, it is just that simple, like legitly. So enough of me talking, because I'm ready to show you guys how easy and quick this recipe is. So let's just jump right into this video, honey. To start off with this mouth-watering casserole, honey, I can taste it. You're going to need 2 cans of the Pillsbury Cinnamon Rolls. I prefer the cream cheese kind, but if you can't find it, like I couldn't, you can just use the original cinnamon rolls, which my cans look white because I purchased them from Sam's, so they came in a bulk. They came in like 4 in a box. So you're gonna need to, with that being said, you're gonna separate the cinnamon rolls and you're gonna cut each one into 4s, and you're going to get you a pan and you're going to spray your pan and you're going to make sure that it's sprayed good, therefore your casserole is not sticking. I didn't show that part on camera and I do apologize, but my pan is sprayed down. Okay, so you're going to set your cinnamon rolls aside and you want to get your eggs, your vanilla creamer. Now you guys, don't go get no hazelnut creamer that you done had in your refrigerator. If you do not have vanilla creamer, just go buy you a small thing of vanilla creamer. It's not that expensive at Walmart, $2 or $3. Don't use hazelnut creamer in my recipe. This does not require hazelnut or any other creamer but vanilla. Okay, so get your vanilla creamer, get your allspice, get your vanilla extract and your eggs, and you want to mix all of those ingredients together for this goodness. Okay, and you're gonna mix it until it's like very well incorporated. Now you want to take your egg mixture and pour it over top of your cinnamon rolls. Make sure your cinnamon roll pieces are covered really well. So just take a spoon and like gently go through them. Just make sure it's covered. I didn't tell you this, but your oven should have been preheated at 375. And once you're done with that, you're gonna put it in the oven and you're gonna bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. Keep check on it because some ovens are different. You just want to make sure you cook it until it is golden brown. Now, in the last and final step, you want to take your cream cheese or your icing from the cinnamon rolls, which you should have too, and you want to put that in a bowl and you want to mix that with your powdered sugar. After you mix that with your powdered sugar really good, you want to add in your cream cheese, softened cream cheese that is. You can use a hand mixer, it'll make it a lot easier. I didn't have one, so I just used a whisk, and you want to make sure you whisk it until it is smooth like butter. Look at that, it looks amazing. It has cooked, it don't have no jiggle to it in the middle, it is firm, it is just how I like it. With that being said, we're gonna take our icing and you're gonna spread it on there. But before you do that, you're gonna let it sit for like 2 minutes before you put the icing on it. That's just to prevent it from like melting instantly, because I like mine kind of thick. So you're going to let it sit for like 2 minutes before you put the icing on there, and that's it, you guys. Simple, quick, and easy. Like, I be coming to you guys, bringing you guys this content with these easy videos. Like, come on now, stuff that a 4-year-old can do. But anyway, you're gonna take that cream cheese icing and you're gonna spread it on there real good, because I'm gonna tell you something, I like mine covered. I don't want to miss none. I want all of the goodness. Now you can't tell me that don't look good. That look good. You hear me? That's what I'm talking about. So I know what you guys waiting for. I know what the hype is about. You ain't got to tell me. You ready for me to cut this thing so you can see exactly what I'm talking about, so you can see that true goodness. I promise. I'm about to do it now. Okay, you guys, here it is, what y'all been waiting for, and the spoon goes in. It's moist. Goodness. Sweet. Yes, it is sweet, but it's so delicious. Get you a cup of coffee, get you a cup of milk, and I'm telling you, you got some goodness here. Look at that. Look at it, how the icing just ran down on the side. Oh my God, it looks good. The ingredients and the instructions is listed down below in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my quick, easy, simple cinnamon roll casserole. Okay, if you're new to my channel and you just so happen to click on this video, the same way you clicked on this video, make sure you go click on that subscribe button and turn your bell on. That way you will not miss an upload from your girl D, and you can be down with D. And to my subscribers out there, you already know what time it is. I love you guys. Look at that goodness, honey. I know y'all tired of me saying that, but this is truly amazing. Anyways, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Until the next time, into the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.